So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android device is randomly deleting photos. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that if you're using an application like Google Photos or some other cloud operating, Photos app, they may randomly go through and delete your photos off your actual phone in order for you to actually upload them inside of your Google Photos or Google, other Photos cloud, website. So what this basically means is what I'd recommend doing is getting out of your Google Photos app or whatever other app and go inside of your stock gallery Photos app right here. You then want to go ahead and find your deleted albums. So you can click on like albums and find like recently deleted, or click on menu and find trash, which is right here. And you want to see if any of those photos are in the trash, because sometimes those photos can randomly be deleted, but they might show up inside of your trash. And if they do, go ahead and try recovering them, hold them down, recover them that way. And that's an easy way of kind of going through and finding it. Now, you can also make your way over into your Google Photos application. So this is already pre-built in with a lot of different applications out there. So go inside of Google Photos, and all I'd recommend doing is scrolling through and seeing if you can find those particular photos that were deleted. You can also try searching for those photos, or try clicking on memories and see if you're able to find those particular photos popping up here. That is basically the easiest way of going through and doing that. You can also come right into here and find your trash icon that's in the top again. You can see if you can recover them via the trash, but those are kind of the main ways to go and do it here for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.